In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to the section on the same page Google Sites. If you're building a long page in Google Sites, adding a button that jumps to a specific section makes navigation faster and clearer for your visitors. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can set this up with confidence. First, open Google Sites in your browser and sign in if needed. From the site's home screen, open the site you want to edit. I'll be working on a sample page, but you can follow along on any page where you want an on-page jump link. With your page open in edit mode, look to the right side panel and select Insert. In the Insert tools, choose Button. This creates a call to action style element that will wire up to a specific section of the same page. A small window appears asking for two things: the button name and the link. In the button name field, type a clear label your visitors will understand, for example, go to history or jump to details. Keep it short and descriptive so it looks tidy on the page. Next, click into the link field. This is where the magic happens. Start typing the name of the section you want to link to. If your section has a heading on the page, Google Sites will suggest page sections that match what you type. For example, if the section is titled History, begin typing History. When you see the section suggestion appear, click it to select that exact spot on the page as your target. Once the button name and section link look correct, click Insert. The button is now added to the page. You can click and drag it to reposition it wherever it makes the most sense: above your introduction, inside a hero section, or next to related content. To adjust the visual size, drag the blue handles so it balances well with your layout. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. For Google Sites to recognize sections, use proper headings for your section titles. If you don't see a suggestion in the link field, make sure the section title uses a heading style. After placing the button, use the preview tool to test the jump and confirm it lands in the right spot. Finally, publish your changes when you're satisfied so visitors can use the new on-page link. That's it, your same page button link is ready. This simple addition makes your content easier to navigate and helps your audience get where they need to go in a single click.